Is your FRCS FNPF joint card lost, stolen, damaged, or expired? There is no need to stress or stand in line. We have made it simple for you online. Here's how you can obtain your replacement card. You will need a recent passport size photo, 35mm by 45mm, with a white background, a valid photo ID, either your voter card or driving license, a certified copy of your birth certificate. You should be a Fijian national and be 6 or more years old. Once you have these requirements, access your taxpayer online service portal on our website using your user ID and password. Click on the Requests tile, followed by the Joint ID tab. You'll be asked to read and declare that you have understood the instructions, and continue to the Joint ID Details tab. Enter your details, select the replacement option and select the appropriate reason for requesting a replacement for your joint card. Please note that a $10 fee is applicable except for expired cards. Once completed, you can continue to the Upload Documents tab. Please scan and upload your required documents, your passport size photo, photo ID card, and a certified copy of your birth certificate. You cannot proceed to the next step until you upload your required documents. Once uploaded, click on the drop-down arrows on the bottom left of the page to continue to the Confirmation tab. Please select and declare that the information submitted is true and correct in every detail by ticking the checkbox and click on the green Submit button at the bottom of your screen. Upon successful submission, you will receive a reference number which you will be required to use for any communication with FRCS regarding your application. You can choose to receive communication with FRCS via email or letter. After submission, you should receive a letter or email acknowledging your request for a replacement of your joint card. You will also receive another letter or email once your request is approved. You can then collect your card from the specified FRCS office. It is that easy.